Talking about them. I wonder what year this is. All right, I'm gonna take a picture of the vendor. Hold on. Damn, this motherfucker. Fuck this Iron Man. Damn, this motherfucker. Yeah. You ever have to cut an airbag out? Motherfucker's strong, dog. Now we got some clarity. Got a little bit of clarity in this motherfucker, man. Stuff that in there. Damn. I'm talking about. That's crazy how airbags deploy though. Damn. What's up, man? I'm Steve, dog. Yeah, just him right here. Trying to LS swap something?
For 6 or 6'2".
Oh, okay. Now it's a 4.8, I believe.
Yeah. LS swap an Audi A5.
You gonna LS swap an A5?
Yeah.
Shit. I ain't know. That's different.
Yeah, this is gonna be the first one.
Yeah, that's a little different right there. I ain't heard of that one. Yeah, man, that motherfucker got 80,000 miles on it though, dog. You see what happened? We just got T-bone, man. Motors and the tranny, A1. A1, honestly, shit. Motherfucker throw the doors on and throw that bed on, man. Shit. I don't think the frame is bad, man. It's pretty solid though. I mean, especially what I'm asking, you know what I mean?
Right,
Right. I ain't asking shit, really.
If I guess you see my boy wanna get though, but he got a Silverado.
Okay.
So
Appreciate you too. Yeah.
Whatever she love me to death, so just baby. Do bad by myself, me myself, and I don't need no help. I just read her text, it say, she blown spaghetti. Yeah, she ready spaghetti. Yeah, she ready spaghetti. This is Hot 94.1. That's my gang. We put it down.
Yeah, I need a tranny if you can come across one.
I'm gonna look for you. I got you. What year is it?
13.
A 13 Sentra. Is it the C
I think it's
C
a 1A.
a 1A motor? No, it's a tranny.